Dear students, in this video we will deal with the nomenclature of amino acids. Amino acids, as they are also organic compounds, they also have a trivial or general name, as well as they are known by their IUPAC names also. But for the sake of convenience, their general names have been abbreviated as 3-letter code, in which we will use the first 3 letters of each general name, and also they are given 1-letter code, which I have written already in the bracket. There are 20 amino acids, and one by one we will deal with one amino acid and how to draw their structure. So I have already told you that this is the structure of amino acid and it exists in the form of zwitter ion in aqua solution. So we can use either of the structures, but I am using this amino acid structure and I will replace this R group by different groups to get you 20 different amino acids. So let's come to the first one, that is glycine. The common structure I have already drawn. If R is H, if R is replaced by H, then it is termed as glycine and abbreviated as G. If now instead of H we'll put CH3, then this is called alanine, represented by A. Now for valine, we will replace 2 hydrogen from this alanine and we will introduce 2 CH3 groups, that is called valine. Next is in this valine only, if you will introduce one more CH2 group between this CH and CH, you will get leucine. So I will write here CH2, CH, CH3, CH3. This is leucine, identified by 1-letter code L. Next is isoleucine. Now in case of isoleucine, what we will do, we will shift this 1H to this carbon and 1 CH3 from here to here. So the structure will be now written as CH, CH3. I have shifted that CH3 to there, and next is CH2 and CH3. Okay, the hydrogen is transferred from here to here and 1 CH3 is transferred from this carbon to the first carbon. So this is called as isoleucine or I. Next is serine. First, in this case we will remove this CH3, 1H we will remove and put OH, so that will come to be CH2OH, that is serine, represented by S. Next is in this 309, again CHOH is common and we will remove or replace 1H with CH3. That becomes 309, represented by T. In case of cysteine, we will put, instead of OH, we will put SH. So that is CHSH. Sorry, CH2SH in cysteine. Next is in methionine, we will introduce one more CH2 group in between these two groups, and this H will be replaced by CH3 group, or you can say one CH2 group will be added here and one CH2 group will be added here. So it will become CH2, CH2, S, CH3. Okay, so this is the methionine amino acid. Next we come to aspartic acid. In aspartic acid, in alanine will replace 1H by COOH. So it will become here CH2COOH, that is aspartic acid, represented by letter D. Glutamic acid, we will introduce one more CH2 between these two carbons. So it will become here CH2CH2COOH, that is glutamic acid. Now in this aspartic acid, we will replace this OH with NH2. So it will become asparagine. So in asparagine, you will write here CH2CO and OH will be replaced by NH2. So it will become here NH2. CH2CO NH2. Now in this glutamic acid, if you will replace again OH with NH2, it will become glutamine. So here we'll write CH2, CH2, CONH2. Next we come to lysine. In lysine we will introduce here 4 CH2s, that is CH2 whole 4. You can write one by one CH2 4 times in lysine, and then we will introduce one amino group here, that is NH2. That is lysine represented by letter K. Next structure is arginine. In this we will put here CH2 whole thrice. Then we will have NH, which is combined to carbon. Then we will have here double bond NH, and one valence is still free, and we'll put one amino group here. So this is CH2 whole thrice NH, C, NH2 and double bond NH. This is also called as arginine. Next is phenylalanine. In this here we'll put one CH2 group and C6H5, or you can draw the benzene ring here. Next amino acid is tyrosine, and in tyrosine we'll replace the one hydrogen of this benzene with OH group. So here you will write CH2 C6 H4 OH. That is tyrosine, designated by Y. Next we come to proline. In proline you have to put here one CH2, here one CH2. Join these CH2s with another CH2 and combine this C with N here. Okay, and remove one H from here because the valency is now satisfied. Okay, 3 valencies are there, 1, 2 and 3. So we'll remove one hydrogen from here. Here CH2, CH2, CH2 and NH. This is proline. Next we come to histidine. In histidine you will put here one CH2, and next we will put a 5-sided ring we will make, and we will put here NH and one NH here and 2 bonds here. This is histidine, and here we'll put a positive sign. Next we come to tryptophan. In tryptophan we'll put here CH2, one 5-membered ring we will form, and to this we will attach a 6-membered benzene ring. Put one here NH, and alternate double bond you have to put. One double bond, leave one bond, then one double bond here, then one double bond here, leave this bond, and one double bond here. So nitrogen is having 3 valencies now here, one H and these 2 bonds, and this is termed as tryptophan and designated by letter W. Now we come to the classification of amino acids. There are 3 types of amino acids: neutral, acidic and basic amino acids. The amino acids having one NH2 and one COH group are neutral amino acids. So you can see glycine, alanine, valine, these are all neutral amino acids. The amino acids which have 2 COH group and one NH2 group, like this aspartic acid, glutamic acid, they are acidic amino acids. One having 2 amino groups like lysine and arginine, they are having more than one amino group and one COH group, are termed as basic amino acids. Now out of these 20 amino acids, 10 are produced by our body and 10 are to be supplied from the outside in our diet, so that are called essential amino acids, and the ones which are produced by our body are called non-essential amino acids. So I have already highlighted the essential amino acids are valine, leucine, methionine, threonine, isoleucine, lysine, arginine, phenylalanine, tryptophan and histidine. All these are essential and amino acids, and they must be supplied through our diet. Most of these amino acids are found in animal proteins like meat, egg, milk, and they are also supplemented by protein rich diets like pulses, beans and peas. And if the proteins deficiency occur in our body, then the disease called kwashiorkor is caused.